Flexible manufacturing systems. A flexible manufacturing system is an integrated group of computer-controlled or numerically controlled machine tools, automated material and tool handling systems, with automated measuring and testing equipment. They together ensure to reduce change over time, can process any product, part of certain similar families with less or no manual intervention. Note: a flexible manufacturing system, or FMS, contains enough flexibility that allows the system to rapidly react to production changes. This flexibility generally falls into two categories. The first is machine flexibility. This allows the system to be changed to produce new product types, and to change the order of operations executed on a part. The second is routing flexibility. This consists of the ability to use multiple machines to perform the same operation on a part, as well as the system's ability to absorb large-scale changes, such as in volume, capacity, or capability. Note: this is another recent trend of manufacturing process, though we would learn more in detail in our course on smart manufacturing. To know more, sign up to www.lynxe.in.